When we say worship, worship is our way of expressing the idea that God is God. Pag sinabi nating pag-worship sa Panginoon, you are acknowledging that God is God. That whatever happens, the Lord will still remain as the Lord. Worship expresses that God is the Creator, we are creation. Merong malaking pagkakaiba between you and God. And when you see God as your Creator, you see God as your source. In Psalms chapter 95 verse 6, the Bible says, O come, let us worship and bow down. Let us kneel before the Lord, our Maker. God is your Maker. So kung sinasabi natin bilang isang mananampalataya na si Lord ang ating pinakadakila, pinakamabuti, pinakamahal natin, pinakaginagalang natin, pinaka-priority natin, kung si Lord ay binubview natin the most high God in our life, then dapat palagi nating binibigay kay Lord ang pinaka-the best sa ating buhay.